my beauty squad. If you're new, it's your girl Jessica and Miss Luna Bear. I have an awesome collaboration with a couple of amazing creators here on YouTube. We are doing the Valentine's collab, and we did a secret Valentine's swap. So we didn't know like who we was paired with or whatever, and I'm not sure who's all in it. But I do know that we have my girl Tammy, because that's who I received the package from. We have Bobby, we have Allie, we have Joey, we have Amanda, we have Shelly. We have so many amazing creators. So, I actually was gifted 2 boxes, mainly because my first box, this one right here, had got lost in the mail for so long. Like, me and her swapped boxes a while back. That way we know we had it in time. And this one had got lost. Like, she had shipped me with mine first, and she received hers. And then time went on. I still didn't receive it until I moved to the new house and I received it. And right behind it was another one, which I did ask her if she wanted me to return one or some of the stuff, and she was like, no, it wasn't my fault. So I get to do unboxings for you. This one is very pretty, very nice. Luna's very going to want my stuff out of here. You got some pretty little paper. Got some lines out of red paper. So we put this stuff here. And then you have a beautiful little headband that is polka dotted. Sorry, I'm doing this one-handed. We also have some Bare Minerals full-size matte liquid lip duo, which is cool because I've never tried some Bare Minerals. So I'm really excited. I've heard really good things about it. And it's got some pretty colors. You got Gin Nude, which is like a brownish, purplish color. And then Statement, which is a... Oh, okay, so the Gin Nude is a raisin color. And Statement is a bold, warm pink, is how they describe them. Those will be really pleased about both. And we have a Lorlac palette. I've never tried this brand, so this is cool. Yay, I get to try a new brand. Only bad thing about it, I can't really try it right now. As you can tell, I have a style, and I don't want to, I don't want to affect the palette. Look how gorgeous. It's a beautiful nude palette, and I'm just so blown away with the packaging. Like, the packaging is so sickening. Like, that's ugly. Luna even wants it. And my Tammy knows me. She sent me a whole bunch of Reese cups. Oh, yeah, that's Luna's favorite too, huh? Go get that and open it. Like, a whole bunch of Reese's. So, thank you, Tammy. This is so sweet, so amazing. She went above and beyond, for sure. Make sure I got them all. Now, for the second box. I'm going to go ahead and open this. So, she sent me another big Reese. Because, like I said, the first box got MIA for the longest. This is a Reese Heart, which I love. And she sent me Lorlac Pro Palette. And let me show you this. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's got a pretty black cover, which I actually kind of like this better than the clear one. I don't know, it's about matte black. And this is the palette. Look how pretty. Another nude palette. And there's so much you could do with a nude palette. And I don't have a lot of nude palettes, just because I'm typically a colorful person and I love my colors. I have been gravitating more to the subtle looks and, you know, neutral looks, which are amazing for just around the house or when you're just running to go get the kiddos or something and you don't want to look all too dramatic. Nude is best way to go. Because it's quick, it's easy, and it always looks good on everybody. Like, you can't go wrong with a nude look. Well, probably could, but I don't think you can. But yeah, so I had 2 little palettes. Thank you so much, and I'm absolutely so blown away with this packaging. Like, both of them feel really, really, really nice, like really good quality. So thank you, Tammy, so much for being my little secret Valentine and sending me not 1, but 2 goodies. Even though we didn't plan it that way, I'm glad I received them. I can't wait to play with them. I will be doing an updated look with them just because I feel bad that I can't do a look with it right now. So, and I want to get it it's glorified because I've never tried this brand. And I would love to see how the brand is. And give y'all my honest opinion. Go open it. Go get that open it. Go get that open it. She's got another one. She doesn't like that one. But I'm going to go ahead and get off here because the Sprat is getting on my nerves. And I'm pretty sure she's getting on yours. And again, thank you so much, Tammy. I cannot wait to watch everybody's video that was in on the collab. Thank you, Allie, for inviting me. I really enjoyed it. I was really pushing time. I was scared I wasn't going to make it because of us moving and Wi-Fi and all that. But here I am. Might be a little late, but I'm here. Love y'all and can't wait.